This is the online version of Clone-to-Elementor. It is powered by Google Gemini AI, and even though it is about 80% complete, we are already impressed with the results that this website cloning tool is producing. It will be available on the 24th of January this year, and it will be 100% free of charge, only for people who have purchased the Clone-to-Elementor extension, even though it does not depend on or rely on the extension to clone websites. Let's see it in action. I'm going to clone a website developed by Gemini AI inside Google AI Studio. I will head over to AI Studio, make sure Gemini is selected, then select Gemini 3 Pro. I will paste my prompt, and then click Run. So now, Gemini has started developing our website. Now, this is actually the hero section of the website. Normally, when it comes to designing websites with AI, I usually prefer that the AI designs the website section by section. When you ask the AI to design a full website all at once, it often gets overwhelmed and starts generating undesirable layouts. So now the AI is done generating the website. Let me download it. Let's take a look at the design. This is the hero section of a landscaping business that Gemini AI has developed for us. It looks really professional and very beautiful. Now let's go back into AI Studio and copy the code of the website. I will now go to the Elementor JSON converter, which is our Clone-to-Elementor online version. I'll simply paste the code I copied from Google AI Studio and then click Convert Code. Awesome. The website that Gemini developed for us has now been converted into an Elementor JSON, which we can download. I'll download the code, then head into my Elementor editor and simply drag and drop the Elementor JSON that I downloaded from the Clone-to-Elementor online tool. And now, here it is. It is almost an exact clone of the original design. As you can see, the font family is the same, the button animation is the same. Now, for this button, we can go ahead and add a border color, just like in the original website. A border radius has already been applied. Let's add a border type. I'll go for solid and then choose the color. We can edit pretty much everything here. Like I said, development of this tool is still ongoing. So this is a short preview of the online version of Clone-to-Elementor powered by AI. And again, it will be available on the 24th of January this year, and only people who have purchased the Clone-to-Elementor extension will have access to it. It will be totally free for them. The next tool is the Elementor AI Customizer. What this tool does is this. Let's say you've seen some beautiful website templates and you've gone ahead and imported them into Elementor. For example, this particular design is for a landscaping business, as you can see. Now let's say you want to adapt this design for a real estate website instead. In that case, this is what you would do. Right-click the container, copy the code of the design, then come to the Elementor AI Customizer and paste the code here. Here it says Original Elementor JSON. Let's assume you're designing this website for a real estate company called Merck Estates, based in Miami, Florida. You would fill in the fields just as I've done here: the business name, the location, the services offered, and related keywords. Now that the code has been pasted, click Customize Template with AI. The AI will go through the entire template, find every piece of text, and customize it to suit the real estate business, while also optimizing it for SEO. As we continue developing this tool, we are working on enabling the AI to change colors, translate the website into different languages, and even adjust the tone of the text. This is a very fast and powerful way of customizing Elementor websites and ensuring they are SEO optimized, all with the power of AI. Now that the AI is done, we simply copy the code, go back into Elementor, and paste it in. As you can see, the AI has already changed some of the text. Unfortunately, it couldn't change everything just yet, but we are still working on it. Oh, and it did change the colors as well, compared to the original design. Initially, we wanted the AI to generate and replace images automatically. However, that turned out to be very expensive. And we also found that the AI gets overwhelmed most of the time. That said, it's still a feature we are actively working on. Now let's come in here and set a suitable background image. I'll choose something like this. And just like that, the design is now customized for a real estate business website. Oh, and this text actually changed. The AI changed the text, and even the button text. I believe a network issue prevented those changes from showing earlier. So yes, it works as it should. We are still working on it, and it will be released very soon, completely free. Of course, you can still tweak the design to your liking and choose the right colors. I didn't do that here, which is why you're seeing so much blue. So that's the Elementor AI Customizer, a very useful tool. The next tool is called Code-to-Prompt. Although it's not directly related to Elementor, it might be one of the most useful tools you'll ever need. In fact, it's the best AI prompt generator for websites you'll ever come across. It is specifically designed to create prompts for generating AI-powered websites. Here are all the features. Let me clear what we have here. You can choose whether the prompt is for a website section or an entire web page. You can also choose the aesthetic or style, cyberpunk, minimalist, and many others. You can even add a reference image. This tool is extremely powerful. It also includes a history and collections panel, so every prompt you generate is saved and can be accessed later. Here is the output area. You can even use this tool to clone websites. Let me show you the power of Code-to-Prompt by comparing two websites I created using Lovable. One was created using a prompt generated by Code-to-Prompt, and the other was created using a prompt generated by ChatGPT. This car rental website was designed using a Code-to-Prompt engineered prompt. As you can see, it looks premium. This second website was created using a ChatGPT generated prompt, and this is the result. It doesn't look as good. It doesn't even come close to what Code-to-Prompt produced. Let me know which of these tools you like the most. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of the community. If you haven't joined the community yet, click here to join. I'll see you in the next video.